Wheels, but not just any wheels, freaking Hostile wheels. Ever since I can remember, Hostile has continued to be an elevated wheel brand in the industry. From amazing finishes to unique designs to one of the best forged wheel lineups I have ever seen. Hostile continues to set the bar when it comes to show truck wheels. But why am I telling you this? Well, because it's just plain facts, and I had the opportunity to meet up with Hostile Mike down at Daytona Beach Truck Meet and have a little chat one-on-one about news that no one, I mean seriously, no one has ever heard about yet. That's right, I've got some juicy secrets to tell you. Dang it, man, I just want to spill the beans right now because I'm so excited and you aren't going to believe this.
Nah, I don't believe it.
I'm Lawson, you can find me on the gram at lawson.co, and today we're dishing out some news coming straight from Hostile Wheels, and y'all are going to be the first to hear about it. That's right. We got you. You're welcome. If you need Hostile wheels, any wheels really, tires, suspension, performance parts, accessories, literally anything for your truck, you know we got you covered, customoffsets.com. Let's get into it. Now make sure you guys do stay tuned to the end as we're going to actually be chatting with Mike a little bit later in this video and going over all the awesome stuff they have coming out. Now Hostile Wheels was a secondary company to MKW Alloy, who launched in 1999 to dominate the big chrome wheel game. I was 7 years old wondering why the heck I couldn't get a damn pocket rocket. Thanks, Mom. Think your 26s are cool now? MKW was releasing chrome 26s back then. Sheesh.
Damn!
Back in 2012, Hostile was born and they hit the ground running. They weren't playing around. Born in 2012. Appeared at SEMA in 2012. Hostile has had that itch to grind and dominate the market ever since the idea of their existence came about. Sure, as time went on, there was that thing that happened where they went through the whole PVD, otherwise known as fake chroming, then went back to real chroming, then had crazy inventory issues and back order or wait times, but hey, these suckers were worth it. I mean, there's a reason why Diddy Sean said they are unlike any other wheel. I miss you, Diddy Sean. From the Sprocket to the Alpha to the Rage to the Fury to the Reaper to literally any model, they are known in the industry for badass designs, finishes, open lug designs for spike lugs, sizes for all builds, affordable price points, and badass designs. I know I said badass designs twice because, well, I'm not kidding. They are insane. Hostile continues to prove to be a big player in today's wheel game. Oh, and that's not enough? Have you seen Hostile Forge? I mean, come on. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, Hostile comes out of nowhere and melts your eyeballs from across the venue at SEMA freaking 2017 with Hostile freaking forged wheels. If you haven't seen these things, I don't even know what to say. Someone cue an edit. Hello? Show the people the freaking forged lineup. Cue the edit. Yeah, so those Johnnies are insane. Now that I've pretty much given you the appetizer, the salad, the main course, it's time for the damn dessert. Here's my interview with Hostile Mike at Daytona Beach Truck Meet 2021. Enjoy.
I'm Mike Cooney with Hostile Wheels. I'm the brand manager for the brand for the last 8 years. So Hostile has been part of the Daytona Truck Meet for quite a while now.
Yeah.
So last year we had same kind of setup, but further down. Good location this year.
Yeah.
Show's got so many trucks out here. It's just mind-boggling.
You guys
you
both
come out here.
packed.
Yeah, thanks. So we've got quite a few things. We got Zach Suburban in here with our forged wheels. We've got Maddie's Jeep in here with some forged wheels. So, you know, stuff we got coming down the pipeline is exciting.
Yeah, absolutely.
What we're going to be releasing at SEMA's coming up. So this is kind of that pre-show before you get to the SEMA show.
Get everyone hyped up.
Get everyone pumped up on the brand, everything that we're doing. You know, SEMA's coming fast. This year it's going to be back to a full swing SEMA. They're changing some layouts, so it should be pretty cool.
Absolutely.
We made our booth a little bit bigger. We've got top secret stuff going, but I'll release it now.
Yeah.
We are bringing out a dually wheel.
Oh, okay.
So Hostile will have our first series of dually wheels in the market.
You heard it here first.
Yep, you know, and we'll have it to where you can set it up. We have it a matching super single for the front. So one of our other styles obviously will be brought out. So that'll be cool. You can run a 2212 in the front. UTV line still going crazy. We got our new lightweight forged. You know, our lightweight forged with sand dune application, guys. Some new bead locks coming out. And we'll have 3 new styles of Hostile cast.
Dang.
So, and then the big thing that we're gonna be releasing, more top secret stuff. We are gonna be launching a 17 and 18 inch program.
Oh.
So we'll have some simulated beadlock stuff coming out, kind of compete with some of the other stuff on the market.
Yeah.
I think that market's they've been asking for it for a long, long time. And we've kind of been so busy with everything else, thankfully.
Yeah.
But I think we'll just keep hoping for the best with that. So.
Alrighty, well, there you guys go. He has already joined this video with some heaters, some top secret stuff. So you already covered what you're bringing to SEMA. Are you attending any other shows? Can people look for Hostile at any other shows this year?
Yes, you can look for the Hostile brand. We actually, SEMA this year, we've bumped our booth up a little bit bigger, so we'll be in our same location. We got multiple spots outside. We'll also be hitting the Sand Sports Super Show in Costa Mesa. And we're talking about a couple other shows in Texas hitting. So we're trying to get out and about with everything opening back up.
Yeah.
We feel it's safe enough to do so, and we're ready to roll.
Absolutely. Super cool to hear. All right, so Mike, personally,
Yes.
Busch Light or Bud Light? People
Oh, I'm Bud Light.
Bud Light.
I'm Bud Light.
Everyone around here is drinking Bud
I
Light.
think, I think it's Bud Light. It's typically, you know, Corona's my go-to, especially being at the beach.
Yeah.
But yeah, out of those two, I pull Bud Light.
I'm gonna have to start throwing Corona in the mix too.
Throw Corona in the mix.
I keep forgetting where we're at.
That'll be a winner.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, for the rest of your life, if you could only drive one, would it be a leveled truck or a 12-inch lifted truck? At any age, for the rest of your life?
I would probably say a leveled truck.
A leveled truck?
But I would have a lifted one in the driveway, probably right beside it.
That's super awesome. All right, so how did Hostile come about? Like, how was Hostile founded? By whom was it founded? Give a little bit of history for the people.
So some history on that. MKW is our parent company. MKW brand's been around for 20 years. And then Hostile was brought out in 2012 as a more aggressive than anything that we've had in the MKW side. So with that being said, we came into the 2214s, which we were one of the first to market with. And then obviously that morphed into the 2414s and the 2616s. We will have some bigger sizes released probably at SEMA time. We'll let that be an exciting thing for us for sure. So, you know, it just kind of evolved into this, and now we've obviously have the UTV stuff. You know, back in the day, we even had a car wheel in the Hostile brand, Camaro wheel. But the truck stuff is what we love. That's what we're all big enthusiasts in the truck market. I've been doing this a long time. I've been to SEMA for 18 years.
Yeah,
so
I've seen you a couple times.
Yeah, it's definitely still exciting for me, and I love doing it. It's exciting to be out here. We don't have this kind of shows on the West Coast.
Yeah.
So for being out here, you see everyone kind of coming together. It's pretty cool.
To wrap things up, what would you say your favorite part is about being in the truck industry and being at shows like this?
Really, it's just seeing friends that are in the industry. I know there's a lot of competition out here with a lot of different, you know, companies, wheel companies especially, but a lot of those guys we're super close with.
Yeah.
Even if, I mean, there's a lot of people in this world to sell wheels to, but it's relationships that you make. So coming to see a lot of people I haven't seen in a year or 2 years, especially with everything going on.
Right.
So I'd say my favorite has to be just seeing everybody you haven't seen in a while.
Yeah,
super
absolutely.
exciting.
All right, Mike. Well, thanks so much for your time today.
Thanks
That's
for
what we
coming
got
by.
for you guys from Mike from Hostile Wheels. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, performance, literally anything for your truck, CustomAutoSense.com. We'll see you guys in the next one.